Welcome back to Frequently Asked Fridays. This week, we're here to talk about AI again, as you can imagine. Most recently, there's been an AI generated song that's creating a lot of buzz, where The Weeknd's voice and Drake's voice have been basically copied into a new song called Heart on My Sleeve. And I think this was done by someone named Ghostwriter. I don't think anyone knows who that person is. But apparently AI sampled tracks from Drake songs and from The Weeknd songs, and then compiled, those voice samples to essentially use their voices and replicate their voices to come up with a brand new song using the two of them mixed in there. And I didn't hear it before it was taken down, but I've talked to some people that have and say you can't distinguish it from their actual voices, which is kind of scary to imagine that that could happen. But we're there. And so this raises a lot of issues, a lot of intellectual property issues, primarily in the copyright realm, as looking at this, is that copyright infringement? And we talked about this in another video a couple of weeks ago. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. The problem I think we're running into here is that the technology is advancing so rapidly that it's outpacing what the law actually is on this. And again, so AI is not a person, so AI technically can't be sued for copyright infringement. Now, this ghostwriter person that directed the AI to make this song potentially could be held liable for copyright infringement. But again, it's an original song. So they didn't copy a Drake song, they didn't copy a Weeknd song. They copied or sampled their voices and then applied that to these songs. So to the extent that there might have been some copyright infringement occur, that may have happened during the sampling process of their voices to gather this information. But the song itself, being a completely new song, isn't technically copyright infringement. Might get into a little bit of name, image, and likeness here, which is something else that's kind of rapidly advancing with some of the NCAA restrictions going away on that. Does this violate Drake's and The Weeknd's rights to use their name, image, and likeness? I don't know if I don't think there was a video done of this that used them, but it used their voice. So their voice arguably could be considered part of their likeness and might be able to fit into a name, image, likeness type argument that it's theirs and theirs alone. But it's going to be interesting really to see how this law develops around this technology that's just really rapidly advancing and outpacing the law. So the law is going to have to catch up at some point. Copyright, name, image, likeness, trademark, all of the IP law really needs to catch up to this technology that is moving very, very fast. So we'll keep an eye out on it. We'll look for more AI-based stories. I don't think we're going to have to look very hard because they just keep popping out one after another after another. But that's the latest update on AI and IP. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you have a great weekend.